Hi, I'm Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWorks. Today we will quickly review the Quote Workbook and QuoteWerks Web and how you can use the tools there to create accurate, customized quotes with minimal effort. There are other videos available on the QuoteWerks website that delve deeper into each of these areas that we will cover. The Quote Workbook is made up of these 6 tabs at the top of any document in QuoteWorks. The Document Items tab is where you spend most of your time. This tab displays a list of the products and services that have been selected and added to your document. This tab contains multiple columns and they are all customizable. These include item description, cost, price, manufacturer, manufacturer part number, and many more. These columns can be renamed and reorganized under the View Customize Columns menu option. Here you can select which columns are available to be used in your organization or for a specific user. The Quote Workbook also gives you the ability to manipulate line items while using line attributes, dependent quantities, price and cost modifiers, and much more. The customization you can apply in the Quote Workbook is quite broad in scope and is covered in more detail in other videos. The next tab is the Sold To Ship To tab. The Sold To Ship To tab contains the customer contact information. If you're integrated with one of the leading CRM or PSA solutions QuoteWorks works with, you'll be able to search and pull in contact information directly from your contact database into QuoteWorks. From here you can create new companies and contacts, paste in contact information from the clipboard, assign a customer profile, show the address in Google Maps, and even verify the customer address using the U.S. Postal Service database. The Sale Info tab is where you'll define specific information regarding the quote, such as the document date, expiration date, and also set who has ownership of that document on the sales rep field. We have additional fields available such as tax rate and the ability to set contract dates on the document as well. Additionally, if using QuoteValet and you have connected your payment gateway, you can set the payment options for the customer under the Payment Options section of this page. The Notes tab has 5 different notes fields available. On the left-hand side, we have our introduction and closing notes. These are typically notes that you would want the customer to see, so they're going to be customer-facing. The purchasing and internal notes are typically internal notes fields. These will not be automatically displayed to your customer. You do have the option to set default notes for these fields, as I have here, by navigating to Setup, My Preferences, the MISC tab, then the Notes tab. These can always be customized from the quote, but notes set there will be the default on each document. And the Dynamic Notes field is extremely useful as it helps facilitate collaboration between sales reps as they can post notes and even put a date, time, and username stamp to see who has posted that note and what changes have been made to this document. The Custom tab includes additional custom fields that can be added to your document, which offers custom text, date, and number fields. These fields can be customized to store a variety of additional information. To customize any of these fields, simply hold Ctrl on your keyboard and double-click on one of the custom field labels. This will bring up the Change Label Name window, and you can change the name here. The Links tab allows you to attach additional documentation to your quota proposal. So if you have a statement of work, Visio, CAD drawing, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, PDF document, any type of documentation that you'd like to include in your quote, you can attach it here. To add a file, simply click on the Add File Link button. Another quick note on the Links tab. If you integrate with a CRM or PSA, once you save the quote, auto links will be generated and listed on the right side of the screen. These links can link you to the sold to contact or company, as well as the opportunity, deal, or activity that was created in your CRM or PSA. These are useful links as they can bring you directly to the section of your CRM or PSA that contains pertinent data associated with your QuoteWorks document. The final tab is the QuoteValet tab. This will only be available to you if you have an active QuoteValet subscription and you've uploaded your document to QuoteValet. QuoteValet is QuoteWorks' online quote delivery and acceptance vehicle, allowing you to send interactive, web-based representations of your quotes with the ability to accept user inputs. The QuoteValet tab will display all of the activity of the customer, so when they have viewed the document, posted comments, accepted it, and even made payment. Additionally, you can link to the sales rep and customer-facing pages, view the peer review and approval pages, and request payment. As you've seen, the Quote Workbook gives you the ability to organize, customize, and deliver clean, professional quotes and proposals. You have the ability to add and manage your quoted products into the Document Items tab, assign Sold To, Ship To, and Bill To contacts in the Sold To, Ship To tab, define quote settings in the Sale Info tab, customize your quote with the Notes, Custom, and Links tab, and track your quote activity with the QuoteValet tab. Each of these components is valuable in its own right, but combined together, you have one of the leading quote and proposal platforms on the market. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to our team at 407-248-1481.